Come along with me and visit my favorite interior design store in Door County, located in Bailey's Harbor, Wisconsin. Hey everybody, we're the Whiskle Wheeler YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button below and follow us on our next adventure. There's even a nice outdoor seating area for anyone in your party who isn't up to browsing this high-end furniture and accessory store. Once you start browsing, you'll see for yourself why Nathan Nichols & Company has been voted one of the 50 best furniture and accessory stores in America. The salespeople aren't pushy and they're super Wisconsin friendly. It was really nice to take my time and look through this classy store without being trailed by a salesperson, but you could certainly always find someone when you had a question that you wanted them to answer. Shopping at Nathan Nichols & Company is fun because they do such a great job at putting things together. I really like the neutrality of the colors, but there still's always that splash of Door County blue. It's a great place to go for beautiful and unique pieces. I think there's something there that could inspire just about everyone. I love their slogan. The nicest things are always found at Nathan Nichols & Company, and I think that slogan fits them very well. On your way out, don't forget to pick up anyone who you had waiting for you outside. If they're not there, take a look for them down and across the street at the Door County Brewing Company tap room.